Start our presentation on solution, suspension and colloidal solution. So first of all, what is solution? A solution is a homogeneous mixture. So for example, we can take for example lemonade. So lemonade is a solution. It is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substance. Just like in lemonade, lemon, sugar, salt and water are the substances used to make a lemonade. So water is the solvent in which it is in the more quantity. So can be of solid and solid, solid and liquid, liquid and gas, and many other. Just like we use a term alloy. So what is alloy? Alloy is a mixture of two or more substance or two or more substance that can be two metals or a metal and a non-metal. Just like brass. For example, we can brass. Brass is made of 30% of copper, 30% of zinc and 70% of copper.
I am going to present what is suspension. First, what is suspension? Suspension is a suspension is a heterogeneous mixture in which the solid spread in water and solid spread in water. Some example of suspension are sand spread in water and salt dissolved in water Thank you.
Medium, like soap in water or blood or pumice or something like that. Here I am going to explain you about colloidal solution. There are two conditions upon colloidal solution, and the first condition is that it is naked to our eyes. We cannot see it. And the next thing is that it scatters light. As we know that it is naked to our eyes and it is smaller than the suspension particles. Those are present in the water, and because of that, they seem like they are the homogeneous mixture, but they are not actually homogeneous mixture. They are actually heterogeneous mixture. So the next point will be heterogeneous mixture that emphasizes or tells us about colloids. From 1 nanometer to 1000 nanometer, we think that we can see in our day-to-day life the colloidal solution or examples like that, like in Tyndall effect. The Tyndall effect is appeared when there is there is a darkened room and there is a little hole in the room, and the sunlight comes or directed towards the room, and we see some dust particles in it. So here, as we know that air is a mixture. Air is a mixture, and it is composed of many have water in it, and we will stir some chalk powder in it. And if we will drop some chalk powder, then we have to use a torch and direct the beam of light into it. That will explain that the Tyndall effect, or basically should I say the colloid present in it. So here, if the water is suspended, or basically should I say scatter the light,
or to perform the activity that Ohm said. So first we see this is a beam of light which is passing through the water, which is present in glass. So we can see there is no beam of light that we can see passing through the water. But when I will put some chalk powder in it, then we can see the beam of light passing through it. So this is known as the Tyndall effect. So with this, we all three conclude our speech, and we all thank you all for listening our presentation. Thank you all.